Just try this one with me. Imagine yourself as a little child, and no matter your age, you go into a cinema hall. Oh, and in that cinema hall, no matter your age, just the amount of your age is the amount of rows in the cinema hall. On the bottom is you as a child, and on the top is you as your present age. Go and ask yourself in every age, what is it that you need for being happy? Do you know? Do you get an answer? Maybe try this. You walk into an elevator and you see a number on the button list. What number is it that shines up to you? Just go into that number and go into that level. Do you see your feet? Can you tell where you are? Is there any memories to be shared with you? Is there any point where your soul needs help? Can you help? For example, I once saw myself at a ship. I was a maybe 4-year-old girl with a dress on, sitting on my grandfather's arm on a ship out on the ocean, but he was very drunk and he got to throw me aboard on an accident, but I still died in the water. But the way I got to fix my water fright was going into that memory and seeing what had happened, that it was such an unfortunate situation, and going into the waters as light, dragging my own soul into the light, and then making acceptance and comfort in the whole situation, and then making a seal to the situation, being done with it, and then moving on to the next thing. And as souls having had so many lifetimes, we have very many threads in different colors. So we can jump into these threads with the colors and we can look into ourselves. And we can see a whole lot of what we contain of and what has made us be who we are. And especially in childhood trauma and different things like this, it is a very good exercise to try regression therapy. But in my experience, it was very, very expensive. So therefore, I want to share my experience for free with you. And just always try to share my best advices, because that's what I care about. For all of us to feel the best that we can, because what else is important? And if you want to go down to your subconscious mind, being present and counting down from 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. It's just more easy to get a connection in that field. And if you have a hard time remembering your dreams, just try to have a notebook and a pen next to you sleeping, and as soon as you wake up, if you have any memory, just write down the words. I did this maybe for 1.5 months. I only wrote down a little bit, and then I started to remember everything. And then I had my best friend guiding me a lot. And over the few months, I've just grown more and more awake and aware. And I can basically feel like I am awake from being awake in a physical state to going into sleep, being awake and being active. and into the coming state of awakening. I feel like I am awake and realizing what is going on. And when I am actually woken up again, I have the whole thread. And this continuing each day, I am working through so many things. It's divine. And I wish the same about everyone. And it's just to stay conscious, stay aware, keep working on your stuff, keep bettering your strengths, keep eliminating your flaws, keeping open with each other, keep talking about what is the real life stuff. That's how we figure out stuff and cooperate on solutions. That's how solutions just pop up. And I do wish the best upon all. Thank you so much. See you soon.